My first name is Jackie, going to school at Harvard Business School in Boston. I've been blown away by the caliber of people and the depth of expertise of who I get to talk to at Corning. That really is incredible to me. I've loved working with the interns at Corning. It's one of the reasons that I came, is I met the interns and we just clicked so well. You know, beautiful hiking. Watkins Glen is like an awesome day trip. There are these really beautiful trails all around the Finger Lakes. It's just about like working with people that you really get along with. In business school, they have all these companies and they come in and they give these presentations. And they all say the same thing. Corning was the only company when they did their presentation where they started with their values and they said, this is what we're about. A lot of very serious work is done here. You know, like world experts are working on really important things. But the environment is so nice. Just really open people who just are so interested in learning about each other. It's been really nice. The project that I'm working on, if we get it right, it literally will change people's lives. It'll keep many people from dying around the world.